South Outdoors, and today we are very excited to show y'all more products from Main Street Cycle in Tishomingo, Mississippi. And they have sent us today a synthetic winch rope, which is rated for 3,500 pounds, which is the equivalent to the cable, but it looks nicer. It is a very good, sturdy quality. I chose black because the theme of my machine is gray and black. However, you don't have to go with this color. They also have blue, red, and I do believe orange. Some other products they were nice enough to send us is they have the Main Street Cycle gear shifter knob replacement. Very nice, very good quality. And they're also nice enough to send us the Team MSC gas cap. And I like this a lot. This is actually really, really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. We'll show you how it's done. All right, so as far as the bumper, you only got bolts right here, up in here, and two in here. It literally comes right off. For those of y'all that didn't know. Set him out of the way. Gives you plenty of access. Yes, we did go ahead and pull the winch all the way out, just so we go ahead and get to this a little quicker. And once you get inside here, let me grab that light real quick. You'll see that setup right there. You got him right down in there. We're going to take him loose, so that way it loosens the grip off the cable, so we can install synthetic winch rope. Make sure I got that right. Just going to loosen it enough so I can pull the cable out. Yeah, there we go. Slides right out like that. All right, put it in the side. We're going to go ahead and grab the rope. You want to hold that for me? Slide him back to his guide. So, we'll move him. Alright, so once you get the bolt out, you can go ahead and feed your line through. Let me see the light. Got that right there. You'll push it on through. Go ahead and take his bolt, put him back in place so it holds it down. Make sure we get that good and tight. Got that down in there, good and secure. Come to the end down here. If you don't mind holding that for me. We got the ring. Put our hook on. Take it off the cable end. I can edit this out later. Ready? Alright. Slide the back to the new one, nice and easy. Just gonna bend that one side. There we go. And he's back on there. So now we're gonna take some time to winch this back in. Alright, hold that light for me. Pull that nice and tight. Nope, other way. Definitely don't want to cross thread them, that's for sure. Just get them started.
Nicholas.
Now, I'm going to install this guy right here. Oh yeah, very nice. Alright, let's take a look, see what we got here. And they do have multiple different adapters for whatever machine you might have. Obviously, I'm going to need this guy. Very nice. Looks better than the old one. Wouldn't y'all think? I'll still keep it anyway though. If you want you a synthetic winch rope, go to mainstreetcycle.com, order it on their website, use the promo code NM4MSC. They'll give you a 5% discount at checkout for the winch rope and anything to deal with the winch products at Main Street Cycle.